We are at 5041 Southwest Prince Street, pulling back from City Main post jetting. Customers are in the process of selling home and wanted a sewer scope of line done. When I was running the camera scope, we did see some root intrusion at several spots and recommended jetting to customer, and he decided to move forward with the jetting. You will see that we were able to cut out all the roots that were previously in. There's remnants of one. There'll be a couple of more spots where you'll see the remnants of the roots, and we were able to cut them out so that the line is looking good and pristine for the new buyer. A little bit of remnants there. Back into our repair, which we put in. Back to the two-way clean out in the backyard.